What's up, y'all, man? It's RKM Mike.
RKMK.
You know how it's going, man. We finna ride up to Atlanta, man. We finna go to Magic City. Huh? Nah, I'm just playing, man. We finna go pick up the truck, man. So y'all stay tuned.
Did you forget something?
Oh, yeah. Run the intro. Yeah, boy. Man. Hold up. Yo. Back, man. We in the truck, dog. I don't know why they ain't let me flip it. Man, that's crazy. International. It's that international. Quit that thing. Why that thing so clean though? Oh Lord. I gotta check here real quick. Don't look too old. Ain't too much rust on it. They done cleaned the tire, I guess painted them white. Look good though. Went on dude to give us a key. Only thing messed up right here, this. But honestly, we can knock this off, so okay. Put another one on. What we working with right now. Once we get the key, we're gonna pull up the lift gate. Y'all, we on the way home, man. We just had to go pick up a Pallet Jet. Leaving them right now. Can't even show the plate. They gotta do better. I don't know why I'm doing that. But I get one anytime we do a video. Oh, I gotta let Quail out. I'm gonna let my cuz out real quick. Okay. Let her know.
Yeah, I'll let you know.
Yeah, man, let my cuz out. He helped us get here. Yes, sir. Oh God, bro. Oh yeah. I got you. Yeah, we're gonna have to cash out, bro. Yeah. You can just do it from the building, though, honestly. However you want to do it. Yes, sir. Put on a snap. YouTube. Sorry for the wait, man. We all the way back home, about a 2-hour drive in the truck. This ain't really a load. It's a drive for my boy Crib. We finna pull up there. Y'all stay tuned. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do the truck review today. I guess this is just like a notification thing to let you know we got the truck. But we're gonna keep in touch and let y'all know where we at on the process. But tomorrow may be like the actual expenses video where we show you the entire thing, because it's just not enough daylight to do it. Hope you guys understand, but we still uploading tonight. We may do the expenses, it all depends. Been a long day though, y'all. Can't even lie. Yes, sir. Brand new Pallet Jet. I'll see y'all later though. What's up, y'all? Yeah, I got the key to open it up. So this is a 26-foot box truck. Of course, if you can't tell the brand, you just don't need to be trucking. No, I'm just playing this Penske. But hold it real quick while I open this thing up. I had to go get some locks and straps.
No, I'm gonna edit it.
Let it breathe. Let it breathe. Oh, did you turn the what's called on?
What?
For the lift gate.
Oh shit.
You wanna go up in there? This is what it looked like on the inside, y'all. We're gonna probably do a better What we're gonna drive tomorrow for a little bit, just let it run. And we'll give y'all a better look because we know it's dark. We're just trying to bring y'all some content. What we promised y'all.
Yeah, man. Hey,
Hey,
we're gonna get
clean,
it. We're gonna keep getting into what they don't tell you.
Yeah,
That's why I
it's a
park
lot,
right now.
This-
That's why I
this-
park.
This Amazon thing, man, it's a lot to talk about. And trust me, I mean, the next video probably gonna be on authority, but we got plenty of content, insurance, what to look for in insurance when you filing for one, because it's gonna have something to do with Amazon. But y'all, it's so much more than just Amazon. And that's what we're gonna get into. But it's that international, man. I know you can't see it too good now, but y'all, that grill look good, y'all. It's a little sexier than the Freight line.
Yeah.
It's just clean, y'all.
Hey,
It's
and you
clean.
already know, I'm a diesel technician.
He gonna
Don't
work
even
on it.
worry about it.
Oh, yeah.
It is a Cummins and an
Yeah.
Allison transmission. Come on
Oh,
now.
You know what we doing. We know what we doing, man. Oh, I'm gonna turn on the air.
Oh yeah. It's right there by the yeah.
Learn y'all something real quick. Learn you something.
Let me learn you something.
Take that thing.
Look, hey,
No,
the
look
feeling,
at that.
the feeling way different than what it seemed. Yeah, we've been through a lot, but
Oh,
hey, at the same time, it ain't no feeling better than this.
It's our first asset, man.
Yeah.
Minimum to come. Oh, yeah. Like that. You gonna get in? You gonna go up? Out of will.
Oh yeah.
They go up.
Yeah.
It ain't much. Like I said, we probably gonna do another video tomorrow. Probably won't be posted tomorrow, but we're gonna give y'all the content we promised. Yeah.
And by the way, that is my dryer right there. Don't worry about it.
Oh yeah, that's his dryer. I got that in another part.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, we on the way to his crib. Refurbished place. Real nice, man. We out here in the country, man.
Yeah, man. So,
Well,
look,
we
man.
appreciate all the new subs. I think we at around 80 right now. Real surprising.
Yeah.
So just stay tuned, man. Roll to 100. We probably hit 100 after this video. And after that, it really rolled to 500 at that. I gotta up the limit because we on pace for something bigger. We on pace for greatness.
Like
So,
I said,
Let me touch on this. Okay. So this Pallet Jet is brand new. A used one will cost you $150. This one is about what, $330 after tax. And then, so we got real lucky. We bought a lot of straps from Walmart and real cheap. We'll get into those prices too. I'll just drop them as I say it. But we got this cool thing right here. It's a Pallet Jet stopper. Dude was playing around. He was just like, $10 and it's yours. And I was like, you know what? We'll go buy a new one. And he just said, I'm just kidding, bro. You can have it. So it just, learn how to communicate with people, y'all, because, somebody's trash is somebody else's treasure.
yeah. Hey, I'm blessed. I'm blessed to be in a position to help.
Like, yeah, I'm usually
start
more
this
pumped.
whole thing, but
Yeah, I was gonna say I'm usually more pumped, but it's a surreal feeling.
Yeah.
Seeing this thing on the road and being able to have this at this young of an age. Like I said, good God, that thing heavy as hell. Ain't too heavy. Okay, my boy getting down with the 2002 Mustang. I like to see it. Not that old, but that classic right there. We out here in the country, man.
yeah, man. You just a kick. Yeah.
Woo.
But yeah.
Yeah, that's it, y'all. So, that was just a brief little tour. Like I said, we're gonna do a little better. Let y'all see the inside when it's bright. And we're gonna test drive it, let y'all know how it feels. Casey drove it back. Somebody had to get us here. So, hey, how you doing?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man.
Yeah. Time to go, y'all. Time to get up out of here. We in the country. You ready to get up? You ready?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Let's jump, man. Go ahead, flip.
As you can see, hey, no temp tags, no nothing. But we're gonna discuss that.
We're gonna discuss that, y'all. And that's gonna probably be a separate video. They ain't telling y'all everything, man.
Yeah.
Now we only probably 2 to 3 business days behind. We're gonna show y'all the power of attorney when we sign it. Not the important stuff, but just to let y'all know what we're going through. But shoot, Tuesday we should be able to book our first load, get on the road. We don't know where we're going, but we're going somewhere pretty, where we can go consistently. It's just not too many good rates in the Southeast. Maybe Florida, but it ain't too many things you can get coming out of Florida. So just stay tuned and
Hey, but get what? I think you forgot something, y'all.
oh yeah. We're in the outro.